Hello guys, good everyone. This is your one and only John Chukwemeka and Global Resources Limited. You are welcome to my channel once more. Today you are going to learn how to remove a Google account from 7D, that is Droid Pad 7D, which is equally known as P701, Tecno P701. So today you're going to learn how to remove an Google lock from it without using PC. We are just going to use manual method. So guys, please, before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to be notified each time we upload a valuable video like this. So guys, let's move ahead now. So the first thing you have to do is, once your phone is here, you have to insert SIM card. You can see this place, a SIM card has been inserted, a SIM card that has some numbers saved in it. So the next we have to do is to go ahead and click this, and we click before then you can see that I have a Wi-Fi here, but we are going to reconnect it. We're going to reconnect that Wi-Fi so that you understand possibly what I did there. So on that case, what we have to do is we have to wait patiently for this to load up. Okay, so in case your own happens to be, because I've really connected this Wi-Fi before, so you need to impute and connect that Wi-Fi. Yes, you need to connect that Wi-Fi, and once you connect your Wi-Fi, it will take you to this particular place. Once you are on this place, all you have to do is come to this place and type in anything of your choice. Once you type in anything of your choice, you just remove that which you have typed, and try to go back and go back again. So in case you were to reconnect, so this were the place you were supposed to connect, and you click on that. So let's see. Okay, so this is how it is. You go ahead and you type the password of that particular this thing that you want to connect to. So you type the password and connect to it. So once you connect to it, this is what will happen. Okay, exactly, this is where it will bring you in, and you type anything of your choice. As you type, you go out, you come in, and you remove it. Once you've done that, you go back and go back again, and go back again. So once you are here, this is where the whole thing kicks up, because what you have to do now is you have to go ahead and click on this emergency and tap this. Once you tap that, you click here, you click on this contact, you click on this. Yes, once you click this, and you click on this, you hold it down, this Google, hold it down, and info. So we are going to click on this permit. So once we are here, we are going to, so guys, going back a little further, this is what we are supposed to press, this data user. So once you press on that, this comes out. Click on this app, and you click on this and this. Once you have done that, you are going to type something here. We type A, B, and this first one, you click on it. So once you click on that first one, this comes out. We are going to click on this. If that comes out, we click on this again. This. So guys, once you are here, the next line of action you could take, if you try to touch this, and maybe your phone start asking you for this update, what you have to do is just go back a little bit and go to this place and go to terms and condition. Then you go to this Chrome, go to that Chrome. So once you go to that Chrome, what you have to do next is just type once, and once that is done, you have to click on this and type AL. You have to type AL BAS TUZ Z3 3D.net. So guys, this is exactly what you have to type, and you search. Once you type and you search, you will see that this will come out, and once this comes out, the next thing you have to do is to scroll up and look for we click on allow. You can click on allow if you like. So we look for this FRP VN RAM, FRP VN. This is the one we look for. This so this is what we're looking for. Click on it. Yes, that's what we're looking for. So that particular one, and we click on it and we wait for it to download. You can see it's loading. Okay, it has downloaded. So once it has finished downloading, the next thing we have to do is to go up again and look for this developer setting APK and click on it. So once we click on that, you can see the two. So we go up here, guys, and click on this. Once we click on that download sign, if we click on this, you can see download. We open that download. Once that is done, you can see that there are many things that are up already. So what we have to do, we go ahead and click on this. We click on that and this comes out. We click on this install and we wait for this to install. So we just have to exercise a little patience while this is installing. So that is what we have to do, is that we have to wait patiently. So once we are done with we click on this done, and we go ahead and click on the first one, which is develop settings, and we click for it to install. So once we click for it to install, we have to wait patiently for it to install, and one we have to click on open. We have to click on, and once we click on it to open, so once we are here, what we have to just do is go up a little bit and look for just go up a little bit and click on this security, and once security gets open, we click on this device administrator, and once that gets open, we click on this. Once we click on that, wait. So guys, we go ahead and click on this, the default, and we go back. Once we go back, we scroll up and we go back again. So go back again. So guys, the next thing to do now is to click on this app. Once we click on that app and we scroll a little bit up, we click on this and we disable it and disable the app. We'll come to storage and so guys, so after we have disabled it, you see it's writing enable. So what we have to do is, okay, we have to device administrator, and here we are on device administrator. So once we are here, we have to click on this, click on that place and click on this again, and we are on this place. So the next thing we have to do is to click on the power button, guys, the power button, or the power button down, and restart. Click on restart and the system start restarting. See this? So guys, we are here, and the next thing we have to do is to click on this, and we click on this, click on continue, click on continue, you click on continue, you click on continue. This thing. So that is how to do this. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you very much and remain blessed.